Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Roblox Authenticator. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening the Roblox app on either your PC or mobile device. You can also use the Roblox website if that's more convenient for you. Tap on More from the side menu or from the bottom if you're on mobile. Then go into Settings and select the Security option. Once the page loads, you'll see all the available 2FA methods. Find the type of 2FA you want and toggle the switch to enable it. In most cases, it's recommended to use an authenticator app, but if you don't have a mobile device, email verification is also an option. If you choose email, a code will be sent to the email linked to your Roblox account. Enter that code to confirm your identity. Next, you'll need an authenticator app installed on your mobile device. Open the App Store or Play Store and search for Authenticator app. Most people use either Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. After installing the app, open it and click the plus icon to add a new account. On Google Authenticator, the icon is at the bottom, while on Microsoft Authenticator, it's at the top. If you're using a PC, choose the Scan QR code option and your webcam will open. Point it at the QR code on your screen and your Roblox account will automatically be added to the app, generating a code that refreshes every few seconds. If you're setting it up on mobile, you'll be given a setup key. Copy the key, go back to your Authenticator app, tap the plus icon again, and select Enter Setup Key. Name the account, such as Roblox, paste the key, select Time-Based, and tap Add. Now, enter the generated code into the verification box on Roblox and click Verify. You'll also have the option to generate backup codes, which are highly recommended in case you lose access to your Authenticator app. Click Generate, then Continue. Enter the code again if prompted, and save your backup codes somewhere safe. Check the box confirming you've saved them, and then click Close. Your Roblox account now has 2FA enabled through an authenticator, and that's it. So that's basically how you can set up Roblox Authenticator. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.